Alright, so we're going to take a look at some plants here, and we're going to distinguish whether or not they're monocot or eudicot. Some indications of monocot and eudicot plants are that you can look at the characteristics of the roots, the leaves, the petals, um, and even the cotyledons at the beginning of its life cycle. Uh, if a plant sprouts with only one cotyledon, then it's a monocot, and if it has two cotyledons, then it's a eudicot. The root structure is usually for a monocot a fibrous root structure, whereas eudicots have more of a taproot root structure. So looking at this plant here, we immediately draw our eyes to the petal arrangement on the flower. And notice we do have three petals that go around the flower. We also do have the three inside, but we want to take a look more at the fact that there are sets of three. Because of this, this is a clear indication that this is a monocot plant. We can also take a look at the leaves of the plant and notice that the veins inside kind of run parallel. You can see all these straight lines that run all the way through the leaf. And so that is a immediate indication that this is a monocot plant. So this is also going to be a monocot plant. I can tell by looking at the petal system again. Looking at the arrangement here, we have three white petals. We also have three purple petals, more on the inside. But again, you want to take a look at the fact that these come in threes, and that would be a clear indication that this is a monocot plant. Taking a look at the leaf of the plant as well, you can notice that a lot of the lines in this run parallel through the whole leaf, run very straight up and down. This is immediately I can tell that this is a monocot plant just based on that parallel vein structure. So taking a look here, we have another flower. Looking at kind of the one in the back here, because the one in the forefront is kind of not focused. This, you can notice that it has the 5 petal arrangement going around. This is a clear indication that this is a Eudicot plant. And when I was taking this picture, I did look at the leaves. And when you are looking at the leaves, it does have more of a net-like vein pattern going on inside. So this is a Eudicot plant as well. Taking a look at this purple flower here, we have our 5 petals going around. And then taking a look at the leaf of the plant as well, we had a similar pattern as our last plant that was a Eudicot plant, where the vein system was very net-like. It wasn't parallel, it didn't run straight, it didn't it wasn't straight all the way through the leaf of the plant. With these, you kind of have this like middle this middle vein right here, and then more veins that kind of net out throughout the entire leaf of the plant. So there you have it. We have 2 monocots and 2 eudicots.